Baby. 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 This is baby. This is baby. Little baby. Little baby. Little baby. Yeah, baby. This is baby. Baby. This is baby. This is baby. Here's baby. Here's baby. Here's baby. 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 Baby.
Oh, come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Ouch, baby. 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 Baby, you're bad. No. Michael. How could she go to the bathroom so much? Michael.
Baby. 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 Bad bird. Bad bird. Bad bird. Baby. Pet the bird. Oops. We're coming back over here. Baby. Baby.
Baby.
Baby.
Where'd she go?
In the kitchen.
Baby.
Not on the couch.
Baby.
Baby.
Oh.
Baby. Oh, she just pooped again.
Oh, leave her in there, Mike. She
Baby.
might be upset or something.
Baby. 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 Smile.
You got her too close.
Smile.
She's
Smile.
still
Smile. Smile. Pretty baby. Pretty baby.
Raise her up a little.
Baby. 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 She chewed that fingernail lately off. Ow.
Yeah, it needs to be filed. Look at that. Ah. Ouch. Ow! Staple it.
Baby. Pet baby. Pet baby. I just want to pet baby. Just want to pet baby. Pet it. Yeah, I'm gonna pet that bird. I'm gonna pet it. Yeah, pet the bird. Pet the bird. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Michael!
Yeah, I got it.
Michael!
I got it. Yeah, I'm petting her head. Yeah, I got the baby. I get the baby. Yeah, pretty. I'm petting the pretty bird there. I'm gonna pet it
Well,
head.
maybe it hurt her wing.
Yeah, no, oh, Nichols.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I petting the baby. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. I got the pretty bird.
Oh, let her go, please. Okay, for her. Michael. Michael.
Yeah, I got it. I'm snuggling with the bird. Oh, pretty bird. Yeah, pretty. See, I'm just petting the bird. Petting it. Yeah,
Michael, she might be kind of upset since she's going to
yeah.
going like
Yeah, see, I'm just petting the bird. See. Oh, look, now she knows what we're doing now.
Uh-huh.
She knows. Yeah, she just didn't know before. Now she let me pet her. Now she's walking up to sleep. Okay, let's go back in the cage. Night night.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come on, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on in your cage. Come on. Uh-huh. Don't you bite me, baby. Ow! Baby! Come on. Ow! Baby!
Go ahead, get her.
I can't, Mike. She's...
I know she won't. She acts like you just put your
I couldn't...
finger under the
Come
feet
on,
anyway.
Baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, night-night. Come on, night-night. Night-night. Come on. Come baby. Baby. Baby, you're bad. Good night, night. Good night, night. Come on. Night, night. Night, night.
Baby, here's your food. Here's your food. Here's your food. Don't be cranky, this is fresh water. Fresh water. With fresh vitamins. Yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Huh? 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 I'm just petting the bird. See, I'm just petting the bird. See, I'm petting the bird. There, all clean cage. Here, clean cage. Huh? Clean cage, baby. Hi, pet the bird. Pet the bird. Pet the bird. I'm petting it, baby. Baby. Birdie bird. I love you, baby. Hmm? Baby. 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 Oh, baby. 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 Baby, I got it. I'm petting. Ouch. Pet it. Pet it. Ouch. Pet it. Okay, give him the finger. Ouch. Pet the bird. Pet the bird. Pet the bird. Pet it. Pet the bird. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Ow! 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 You biting? You little feisty little thing.
Here's the thing about your prescription, huh? Take some meds.
Feisty little thing. Feisty thing? Yes, it is. Ow!
How about you want
Ow!
to pie?
Ow!
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Huh?
You want a couple of these?
I'm okay right now.
No, you better do what he says.
Yeah, is he flying around?
Okay, gotta really get on your case.
You're my bodyguard, huh? You're my bodyguard. You're not supposed to fight. No, no, no. Ouch. Ouch! 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 Now come on back here. Get on my finger. Ouch! On the finger. Okay, get on the shoulder. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Oh. Ouch! Ouch. Oh. Well, little birdie, huh? Did you cough? You chewed my collar last night, huh? How big dog? Rolly, hey pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes? Why don't you talk to me? You're supposed to talk. No. Talk. Pretty bird? Pretty bird, you're supposed to talk. Your owner says you talk. But all I hear you do is squawk. Huh? Ouch! Bird! What you saying? I can't even lean back, but you're back too far, huh? See? You're supposed to be on the shoulder more. There, is that better? Huh? Yeah, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes, it is. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Huh? We'll go see Sandy? We'll go see Sandy? We'll go see Aunt Sandy? Huh? Huh? Can't tell, are you back now to me or what? Huh? Let's go see Sandy. Let me...
Something would happen accidentally and we just add it to the show.
As wild as Chris Ledoux is on stage, off stage there's an honesty, a true cowboy spirit that makes him someone his fans can believe in.
Did you like that ice cream, baby?
He's just down to earth, you know.
Oh, she's slapping it all over.
Baby eating ice cream?
Strictly cowboy.
I mean, his word is everything. He's a devout family. He's sincere. He's friendly. He's shy.
Baby eat ice cream?
Kind of shy and an introvert and everything.
Yeah?
Somewhere inside him there's a little bit of a show off.
I just think it's the code of the
Hi, baby. Pretty baby.
word.
Pretty baby. Yes, it is.
About what he
Pretty baby. Pretty bird.
and he stays true to that.
I love you, baby. Yes.
You don't have to guess what
Yes.
kind of it is. If you hear his music, you know Chris.
Yes.
When we come back, after making 20 records, Chris
We traffic every 10 minutes. I'm Amy Pierce, WFMS. Got traffic.
Baby, drinking coffee? Drinking coffee? Eat your bagel and drink your coffee.
He was drinking them.
You'll always be. It's like the president being on
Drinking in my cup.
always gets it right.
Eat your bagel too.
Well, I get those little shirt.
Oh, no, your big shirt, your little initials.
Well, there's somebody's initials. I'm not sure they're mine. I think they're Rich's. Yeah, I do make sure. You know what?
Unless you just bought
I think
coffee.
Jim might
I don't know.
have just a little bit too much. Yeah, crush. Yeah, I think that's good. It's not, you know, it's not one of those kind of man crushes. I don't think. Just like really not that way.
Where you really hire a guy, but but you're still Rudy-like in your admiration. But it's a man crush.
Well, I prefer Rudy to win, but I think Rich should play the game
You
very
kept it a
well.
secret all this weekend and all this morning.
No, it's just a secret he's kept for quite some time.
I don't want to take away my coffee.
But, you know, Jim, I think it's a man. You say it's a man crush because you're trying to, validate his masculinity. But
Well, I spent a lot of time with him, you know.
in reality, I think it's he looked a little bit sobby this morning when he won that. He was kind of
Ow, baby.
just turning into that.
You're brushing your teeth naked yesterday. You have that in common.
Well, that's making sense. That's how you like to brush your teeth, boy. You just keep shaking. You just keep on shaking for about 5 minutes after you leave. It's hard to put the deodorant on there. Where is that thing, Harvey?
Rich could use some firming and some toning on
Well,
the body tip.
yeah, I mean, to me, Rich, I like Gilligan's Island. Okay, he's no professor, that's for sure. Right? The professor, I mean, look at Gilligan's Island compared to this Survivor show. There's no money in
Lovey.
Yeah, he was kind of a lovey type guy, or a Thurston Howe. I promise you this, I promise you. Oh, I'm so psychologically bound to everyone to see it this way. It's a game! It's a game, and they got you, Jim. They got you watched it last night. Yes,
Dr. Mago in your coffee?
and we had the 40 million other coming on and
You're going to have fun drinking your coffee.
Oh, God, look at it.
Baby. Baby. Hey, pretty good. Hey, pretty good. Ow! Ow! You bite! Ow! You silly thing! Ow! Get it. You silly bird. Mm-hmm. Ow! There! You silly bird. Silly bird. Huh? Silly bird. Yes, it is. Well, come here. Mm-hmm. I want you over here. I get it. Get it. Ah! Ah! Get it. Ow! Ow! You bite too hard.